Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the FabFitFun Beauty Edit box for August to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the monthly beauty edit box from FabFitFun has arrived. If you do not know, I love to show you every single item that you can choose per category, because that is the great thing about FabFitFun. You are in control of your entire box. So with this one, you get 4 full-size products. You get to choose between those to customize your box. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm gonna show you a sneak peek to inside of my box. There's that and that. Ooh la la. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and start with everything that you can choose from category number 1. Cloud Set Baked Powder. You can choose between color candy, peachy, or buttery, all valued at $38. Pharmacy Honey Cloud Lightweight Barrier Repair Moisturizer. This is valued for $48. Or Pharmacy Honey Milk Hydrating Essence, valued at $34. And if you follow me, you know I love any type of a moisturizer. So when I saw Pharmacy Honey Cloud, I'm like, yes, please. And I thought this was gonna be smaller. I thought I've received a pharmacy moisturizer and the product itself was way smaller. Oh, well, it's a little bit smaller inside, but this one you do have the thing that's magnetic, so it stays on your lid if you want to use that to scoop it out. I'm always fresh out of the shower when I do my skincare routine, so I'm as clean as I'm gonna be, so I just dip in there with my fingers because again, they are super clean and I'm the only one that uses it. But if you want to be fancy and do it the right way and scoop it out with this, it just sticks right on top and it stays there. I like that. So again, this is the Honey Cloud by Pharmacy, and the value on this one again is $48. But I'm super excited about this. I love, again, a good moisturizer, so I'm like, yes. I don't really smell anything. I was thinking I was gonna smell like honey. I don't really smell anything, which is perfectly fine. But here is the first item right there. And I just like that design too. So all of the different choices you can choose for category number 2 will be Drunk Elephant Wild Tangle Spray. This is valued at $27. Drunk Elephant number 9 Jelly Cleanser. This is valued at $36. Clean Beauty Collective Caramel Swirl Perfume. This is valued at $28. Desi Skin Do Me Over. This is valued at $39. Or Briogeo Style Treat Supreme Shine Oil, valued for $28. So I went ahead with the cleanser. That's a no-brainer. I use a cleanser every single day. Drunk Elephant's a great brand, so I went with the number 9 Jelly Cleanser, valued for $36. You couldn't see anything there for a minute, sorry. Once we actually open her up, look at the inside of the box. That's so cool. This is what it looks like. So you have your cleanser. Again, I use a cleanser every single day, so I was like, yes, please, and thank you. It does have a seal, but there, I like that bright orange. It's kind of really nice color with the black and white. So that's what I chose for category number 2. So all of the different choices you can choose for category number 3 will be Pharmacy Lip Smoothie Vitamin C Lip Balm. This is in Pear Kiwi, valued at $22. There is a brow gel valued at $26. Patchology Perk Up Energizing Under Eye Patches. It's a 6-pack valued at $144. Or Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. This is valued at $19.99. And for that one, I went ahead and chose the Pharmacy Lip Smoothie. I chose this in my seasonal box as well because my friend said this is her absolute favorite. It's like the last thing that I do before I get into bed is put something on my lips and then I go to bed. So I thought, you know what? I'll go ahead and grab one in this one, and I'll grab one in my other box as well as a backup. But this one is the pear kiwi, and I'll show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the inside. And let me take a little whiff. I'm smelling a little bit of like a melony pear kind of scent to it. So that is awesome. Again, I know my friend said it's her favorite, so I trust her. I know I'm going to love it. So I chose that. So there's number 3. All of the different choices you can choose in for the last and final category. Number 4 will be chemistry deodorant in beachy clean scent, valued for $20. Lip glowy balm in mango, valued at $19. A 4-piece pro makeup puff bundle. This is valued at $20. There's a sponge duo set valued for $15. Or NCLA So Rich treatment oil in coconut vanilla, valued at $26. And for those, I actually chose the NCLA, if I can get this right, So Rich treatment oil in coconut vanilla. This again is valued at $26. And I saw on here that it had vitamin, what was it? I think it was vitamin E. Yes, it has the vitamin E. And I know back in the day, like an older tattoo artist back in California, he like scarred me and he's like, just get vitamin E oil and put on there. It didn't really help it. But I know vitamin E is really good for the skin, and vitamin E is inside of here, and it says to use for hands, body, cuticles, joints, legs, and feet. So all around body oil, you can use this. At first I thought it was a cuticle oil, and I'm like, yeah, I already have cuticle oils. But then when I saw it's actually a body oil, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get that. And it's a large container of it. Look at that. So there is, it's filled to right there. The bottom is just a lot of glass, and it's a, what is it, a coconut? It does smell coconutty, coconut vanilla. So yeah, you can put that on your entire latte. So that is what I chosen for category number 4. Quick recap: you have the body oil, you have the lip the lip smoothie, you have the face moisturizer, and then the face cleanser. All right, you guys, so again, that is everything that I chose for this box. What did you think of the choices? What do you think of what I chose? Would you have picked the same thing? Did you choose something different? Let me know down below. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know the pricing right now. I will have them listed in the description box if you want to pop on over and check them out. You can see their monthly box or their actual seasonal box as well. It'll all be in the description box for you. But this box here is $29.99 every month. You can cancel at any time, and that's free US shipping. And again, you get to choose 4 full-size products for that price. Again, I love FabFitFun. I've been loving their seasonal box since like 2018, and now I'm loving their beauty box. I just wish that they would put in a few more choices, like have maybe like 4 or 5 per. Sometimes there's only like 2 or 3 per choice. So, and then the seasonal box has like tons of them. So I just kind of wish that they'll start, maybe they will in the future, putting just a few more, just a few. I don't want them to go all gung-ho crazy and do like 10 to 15 per category like the other. But just a few more would be greatly appreciated, just for those that maybe want a little bit more of a variety. But maybe we'll see that in the future. But either way, picking every single product, as low as it is with the free US shipping, it's always a win-win for me. I love FabFitFun. If it's not something that I use, I save for giveaways or for gifts. So that is everything for this particular video. Again, if you want to check them out, I will have them in the description box for you to pop on over and check them out. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.